All right, my beautiful friends, it is still April Fool's Day. And what I'm about to tell you might sound like a joke, but it's really not. Well, in this fake environment, everything is a joke, and you know that. But we're going to cover a few things here that I know you're going to find just all kinds of enlightening. All right, so let's start off with this. Nice rally on Wall Street today. Dow Jones Industrial Average finished higher by about 330 points. Okay, well, what's pushing this today? Well, we found out that retail sales missed the mark, and there's more chatter that talks with China are going really well. Okay. We also found out, and this was a big boost to the markets, when this news came out, it seemed to really put a fire underneath the markets. Q1 GDP appears to be about to miss the mark by a mile. Right now it's tracking at about 1.5%. This is good news for the stock market, because that means more easy money, negative rates. It's just, well, it's great for the market. Let's talk about a few other things here that are kind of flying under the radar, I think, for the most part. Crude oil today, well over $61 a barrel. Now, why is this so stock market positive? It is. And it will continue to be propped up because energy stocks will get a nice boost off of that. And the financials. Notice, whenever crude oil goes up, energy and financials rise. These are two of the largest aspects of this market. They will just pull everything higher with it. So when you hear any politician, anyone, talking about, we got to get crude oil prices lower, start to laugh. Laugh as loud as you can. Because what happens, it's pretty simple how this is set up. Now, let me outline this for you in case you don't know. When a politician says, oh, we got to do something about crude oil, it's too high, and then all of a sudden it drops a little bit, it allows speculators to jump in on it because they realize it's going to get propped right back up. All it is a mechanism for a temporary drop. And mark my words, this happens every single time in case you haven't noticed. So you get that drop, it gets bought up, pow, it goes up. It's designed to work that way. It's designed to work that way. I know how crazy that sounds, but that's the truth. And if you don't believe me, the next time one of our lofty politicians happens to say, and there's one in particular that says it all the time, and you know how that works. He says it, boom, crude oil comes down, and then it goes right back up. You know, let me just read this to you. I wasn't going to read this to you, but I'm going to, because you're going to find it really nice. So we just got this news here. Oh, this is beautiful. I'm probably going to say this wrong, but I'm going to do my best. A Saudi oil company, Saudi Aramco, whatever the hell it's called. This is basically the Saudi Arabia's petrochemical company of companies is now the world's most profitable company. How do you feel about that? You know, actually, I'm glad I mentioned that, and I'll tell you why. Maybe you're paying attention to this too. I hope you are. Gasoline. Since January, the national average per gallon is up 50 cents a gallon. So you are subsidizing Saudi Arabia, of course. You are subsidizing crude oil. You're subsidizing the energy sector. You're subsidizing the financial sector and the market as a whole. That's what you're doing if you are a part of the middle class. Your blood and guts are being used to grease the wheels of this machine. Meanwhile, very, very few of you, again, out of the thousands that will watch this video, maybe a handful, 10, 15, not 1,500, I mean 10 or 15 will actually, say something about it. Get out and start preaching. I don't know, start a YouTube channel. Very few of you will do that. You'll just line up like you're supposed to, and just take it deep in the heart. You know, that's the truth. And deep in the heart of the gabagool. I don't mean deep in the heart. You know, easing. Yeah, be easy with me now. You know. Anyway, that's the truth. That's where we are in this environment. I mean, think about this: a 330-point gain in the Dow, on crude oil over $61 a barrel, on the extremely elusive China trade deal. Oh yeah, bad economic news, and the promise of all promises that we are going to get a rate cut. Larry Kudlow, our economy. I'm Larry Kudlow right now. The economy really strong, but we need to cut rates immediately. Yeah, that's what we need to do. All right, I think you get it. I love all of you guys and girls. Please share this video. Get it out there so people can know just how beautiful it is. See you then. See you tomorrow morning. Bye.